In this video, we're going to demonstrate some hotkey combinations that can be used to perform specific functions at your ATM. One is a reboot function. This will reboot the ATM using only the keypad and is helpful if you have a store employee or other person who may not have a key or access to the top cabinet or access to the plug behind the machine and you wish to restart the ATM. The other is a way to initiate communication with the host. It is useful for verifying comms where you don't have an ATM card or you don't necessarily want to perform a full transaction. An example of this might be if you're trying to verify a connection after an internet outage or as a possible fix for key sync errors on a machine that was previously doing good transactions. The reboot function was added in software version 28, and the communications test was in all versions of software. Let me show you how it works. To initiate the reboot hotkey, walk up to the machine at the welcome screen and on the keypad, press Enter Clear Cancel 369. The screen will change and alert you that it's about to restart. You can answer no and it will just go back to the welcome screen, or if you hit yes, then the ATM will reboot itself. If you don't want your terminal to have the option to be able to be rebooted from the keypad, you can disable this function from within the operator menu. Go to System Setup, select Set Reboot, and then Hotkey Enable Disable, you can turn that function off. To initiate communication with the host or to test communications, again, go up to the terminal and from the keypad, you're going to type in Enter Clear Cancel 786. When you do this, the screen will change to configuration. At this point, it's communicating with the host, performing a key exchange, and updating the terminal with the host. If it's successful, it'll come back to the welcome screen as it did here. If it's not successful, you'll get some type of communication error like D2511 or D2514, indicating that there's still some kind of a problem. This option cannot be disabled from within the operator menu like the power reboot. I hope these hotkey tips have been helpful. If you have any questions, please contact Genmega support.